Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. Today we're back out on the Razor, and we're going to meet up with my buddy One Way Ryan on his Surron. So he actually just got a new Surron. Essentially, he had a Surron that he bought. It was stock power, stock controller, everything. He sold it, well actually he traded it for a KX450, got the KX, traded the KX for a better Surron with a 72 volt and some other stuff. I don't know, we'll see in a second though. By the way, if you're wondering what that extra noise is, well, my chain is pretty loose and stretched, but I also did weld the freewheel. So freewheel's welded now. We did that last video. Check that video out here if you're interested. But we're gonna see what welded freewheel wheelies are gonna look and feel like today. What's up? How we doing? What wasn't working? But you traded the KX for this then, right? The KX450. Did he throw cash on top or anything or no? Big ass battery pack. What's the battery?
72 volt, 51 amp hour.
Who made it?
Chai.
Oh, it's Chai. And then the controllers.
It's a far drive controller.
Oh, far driver. Yeah, you said that. Dude, I welded my I put on a welded freewheel. So shit is different now.
Yeah, now it pulls you a lot more.
Yeah, now you get actual engine brake. Yeah. Oh, yeah, exactly what I was worried about. Yeah, this is exactly what I was worried about with this chain. Through the chain. It's back on, but dude, look how loose it is.
That happened last time right there.
I know. Well, that was because the tensioner fell off. Look at you.
Let go, it flies up like this.
Off the throttle?
It hits the bottom of the
Woo! Guys, I'm not always riding like in the city like this, so I hope you guys enjoy this kind of change up. Oh, that chain sounds so bad, dude.
Sounds so bad.
Lucky the black plastics came in.
Why do you say that? Oh yeah, dude. You stoppy?
Not with these.
Not with the headset either.
Not with the brakes or the headset, yeah.
Woohoo, Ryan. We're going down to meet up with the boy Mike on his Surron. So we're headed to Columbus, I think. Woo. All right, let's get up to a Ninock. Ninock. Back to sit down. Oh, that was scary. Cops right here. Ooh, that's a big bump there. Oh, that's a bad day right there. Just cutting it up, hitting that knee knock. Not using the foot brake though, using the handbrake right now. Easy peasy. That's for sure. Oh, that's steep. Hey guys, I want to hand drag so bad. Let's try and hand drag right now. We're just not far enough back. How close am I?
I don't know. A lot of people do it with their handlebar straight like this. I think it's so much just bars is good. And it's like rock. Because when you're like this, you're trying
Yeah, you're wobbling. I feel like if I just keep practicing it, I'm not that far off. 3 inches? I'm like 3 inches, yeah. I don't think he got the joke. Oh, that felt so close. We're getting pretty close, guys. Oh, you got the Crocs on too? All right, we're getting there. I'm like this close. Oh my. That was close. Oh, that was like how far? Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Riding Mike Surron. This thing has so little power. Holy. Oh, that's better.
Eco, but Eco is gonna have the power of that.
All right, so this is 72 volt. This thing rips, and this is just an Eco, bro. What? Wow. Rocket ship. That was like a quarter throttle. Everyone runs their brakes so low for stand-ups, but I love to run mine pretty high, like up here. Oh, it's just like our little mini latte here, I guess. This is just what the whole video has been, but we are so close to hand drags. We should probably get them pretty soon. Yep. Take up that foot. Look at that. Sit down, feet up, circles on the run. All right, well, now that I know where balance point is, it's pretty high up. You just pull it up to there. I love having the foot brake too. That's awesome. Yeah, it just takes a couple minutes. Like, this is the longest I've ever actually ridden a Surron or a Talaria, and once you get the balance point, then you're chilling. Damn, now I just want to ride the Ron. Oh, it feels so slow comparatively. Is this still in mode 2? Yeah. One-hander, bring it up. But yeah, guys, if you watch my channel, you'll know that... Wow, why does that look so good right now? A little cheesesteak. If you watch my channel, though, you'll know that I vowed to get a hand drag by the end of the year, and we are like half an inch away from a hand drag, so hopefully we'll make that goal, and then we'll have to pick a new goal once we get the hand drag, like probably seat standers or something. Okay, this guy in front of us is in the Pagans. All right, we're coming up on City Hall now. I don't know what the plan is. Like, I think some of these people are gonna go out and ride longer. But I don't know if I'm going to. Just because I don't have a ton of battery, and I just was like literally practicing 1,000 times back and forth trying to get that hand drag, and that didn't help my battery life either. So, we'll see. I've actually never been down to this tunnel somehow. Oh. Ooh, first GoPro battery died, but we're out at a cafe. Probably get a drink and then call it.
The only thing I do with gloves is ride.
Ride?
That's it.
Whew, guys. All right, just had a nice little beer. She's empty now. Turn on our light. But we're gonna head out. Guys are still there. I think they're gonna do a night ride, but I'm gonna go home and get on with my life. But as always, hope you enjoyed this video. We are super close to getting we got it, to getting that hand drag. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have so much content to come, but I'll catch you next time. Peace.